Weather on the way, but first, a health alert for those of you with scheduled medical procedures. Here's Crystal Martinez with how One Valley Hospital is gearing up to protect all patients from COVID.
Here at DHR Help, doctors say everyone who walks through those doors are being screened for symptoms like fevers. But for those who are being admitted into the hospital, they say they're taking it one step further to keep patients and staff safe. Hospitals are beginning to see more COVID cases again, and one local hospital says they are doing their best to keep patients safe.
We've got a system that works very well, and we've set up beds off-site to be able to move and isolate those patients and isolate the staff and services that they need over there.
Positive COVID patients are kept separated, and PPE is being changed by health professionals after they visit them, something Dr. Robert Martinez says is necessary.
Universal precautions is what we're talking about. It's a standard of care when we move around in places of care like this, in the hospital in particular, right? Try to be as sterile as possible.
This minimizes the contamination risk with patients that might have to go back and forth to get surgeries or other treatments. And Dr. Martinez says with the Delta variant so active, it's nothing to take chances with. And what's worse is you may not know that you have the virus, especially with the Delta variant, so it's easier to pass it on.
Everybody gets tested. So everybody that comes into my hospital that's having a procedure, gets admitted here, is in the emergency room, essentially everyone gets tested.
Dr. Martinez says testing may cost the hospital money, but it's important to know if a patient has the virus while in the hospital, even if they didn't initially come in for it. Not only can this help other patients and staff, but also their family when released. Dr. Martinez says they're limiting visitors and asking anyone who comes in to wear a mask. Just one small thing that can make a big difference. In McAllen, Crystal Martinez, Channel 5 News.